donuts. Donut. Are you okay? I'm comparing donuts to my donut hair.
He died.
Donut hair. He did die. It's my stream now, bitches. We're taking over. Dude, one day I will take over. I will reign supreme. I will take Campbell down. Note it now. I feel so bad. It's my birthday. Dude, imagine his fire alarm keeps going off in the middle of the night, and he's like, "Fuck! Why did I do donuts with Ivy?" God.
Hello?
Hello? Are you good?
I think so. I fucking hope so.
Holy, this stream kicked my ass, dude. Holy smokes, we made donuts, but at what cost? At what cost?
Honestly true.
Like, holy shit. Actually, was it one of our longer streams? Well, how long streams been going on? 5 hours, 47 minutes? What's
I don't think it was.
stream?
We've definitely done longer than this. For sure.
Yeah, because you used to make me stay up till midnight before.
Yeah, I've also started earlier today, though.
Yeah, true.
We started at like 7.
Yeah, Pop-Tarts, and then we did, was Lava Cake pretty late? I know Pop-Tarts was pretty late.
I think the Pop-Tarts one was the latest.
Yeah, I think Pop-Tarts, we were getting fucked by those tarts, man. Dude, Taco Tony likes me. Because my hot girl summer dress. It's summertime. Dude, it literally was 76 right now in the night.
Points, Camille.
It's fucking 46.
40
here
there?
right now.
Holy shit, maybe I do need to go. Okay. Yeah, it's fucking tomorrow, 83 high. We reach 80,
Yeah, fuck
87
that.
this week. 87.
Definitely fuck that.
Oh, you don't like the heat?
No, I hate the heat. Well, I don't mind the heat. I just hate the humidity.
Oh, it's not humid here. Not compared to Houston. This is hot. Just hot.
What did you post Did you post a scam list?
Camille is white scam
Scammers?
again. What neck of the woods are you in a
The anti-scam
I am in
list.
the Dallas Fort Worth area. The what? The rap pool or the gambler?
I mean Cole.
Oh, okay, cool, okay. I was like, what? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna post my donut.
Did Cole post it?
GJAS.
I'm just
Yes,
gonna
it's in
post some
chat.
random donut pictures. I don't know which ones are good.
Repost it.
I'm posting donut pictures. I posted donut pictures. Tejas, yeah, I'm from Tejas, dude. Fucking
I don't see it.
Texas. I've lived in Houston and fucking Dallas.